Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing the pop-ups that come from the site todaypriceforyou.com. Todaypriceforyou.com is a deceptive website that keeps attacking Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This website tries to trick people. First of all, it tries to trick them into participating in a fake survey. The pop-up indicates that you have a chance of winning some gift card worth €495, and finally it also tells you to click on this allow button. If people click on allow button, they start receiving even more ads that will be displayed randomly on the screen. Now, participating in this fake survey is also not recommended because the real purpose of this fake survey is to collect your personal details. Don't ever do that, otherwise your private data may be granted to third parties illegally. So if you see these pop-ups, don't ever interact with them. Don't install anything that they suggest, and don't share any of your personal data through them. If the allow button was clicked by mistake, you should fix your browser. Otherwise, you'll keep facing these ads permanently. So access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then scroll down to Site Settings. Then you need to go to Permissions area and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. You will find some of these sites that may be attacking your screen. So, of course, that's very annoying, and it prevents you from properly perceiving the content through your browser, the decent content. So, what you should do is to remove all these malicious sites from the allow section. Make sure you click on such buttons and delete all these junk websites from the list. There may be a great number of such malicious websites. Of course, all of them need to be deleted, and this is the manual solution to get your browser fixed. So be careful, remove one site at a time. After you do that, all these ads will be gone. I also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your device with its help to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.